The Indian government convened an all-party meeting over the Pahalgam terror attack that claimed 26 lives. During the meeting, leaders across party lines pledged unconditional support to the government for the measures being taken against Pakistan in response to the attack. However, several opposition leaders questioned the government, saying the attack pointed to lapses in security and intelligence. The meeting, chaired by the Defence Minister, was attended by top ministers like the Home Minister, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, the Finance Minister and also Parliamentary Affairs Minister, while from the opposition, Congress leaders Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and leaders of Samajwadi Party, TMC, BJD, AAP were present in the meeting. The Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge, in fact, said that the incident was a glaring mistake on the intelligence front and the government, according to him, did not take quick action. While Owaisi demanded strong action against Pakistan, questioning the government why the CRPF was not deployed at the site of the terror attack. Parliamentary Affairs Minister, in fact, said that the government briefed the meeting on the decisions taken by the CCS, and officials from the Intelligence Bureau and Home Ministry briefed them about how the attack took place and where the lapses were.
सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने अपने अपने विचार को रखा और एक चीज़ सामने में आया कि देश को एकजुट और एक आवाज़ में खड़ा रह करके बोलना चाहिए और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ में एकजुट हो करके भारत को लड़ाई लड़ना चाहिए।
1000 लोग जब वहाँ गए हैं तो इसको पुलिस का पता रहना चाहिए, इतनी संख्या में जब वहाँ गए हैं तो ये सिक्योरिटी लैब्स है, ये सवाल भी उन्होंने उठाया।
मैंने ये कहा कि वहाँ पर मेडोज में आखिर क्यों सीआरपीएफ नहीं थी वहाँ पर, क्योंकि मैंने पूछा है कि जनवरी में सीआरपीएफ के 2 यूनिट को हटा लिया गया था वहाँ से। उसी सिलसिले में मैंने ये भी पूछा कि क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को 1 घंटा लगा ऊपर पहुँचने के लिए, जब तक ये पूरे शयातीन, ये तमाम जालिम लोग वहाँ पर मजहब पूछकर गोली मारते रहे।
The family of the tourists killed by the terrorists in Pahalgam pointed at the absence of security forces and the delay in rushing the armed forces to the terror attack site.
Once the terrorists left, the locals came and said that all those who had survived should go downhill immediately. The army arrived an hour or so after we climbed down from the point. The terrorists were not letting my father speak at all. They did not say anything to my mother. One of the terrorists was fair and had a beard. He had a camera tied to his head.
मेरा तो इतना मानना है कि ये जो टूरिस्ट प्लेस पर आज हुआ, जहां हम गए, वहां पे अच्छे से सिक्योरिटी बिठा दीजिए या तो वो प्लेस बंद कर दीजिए ताकि कोई जाए ना, किसी की जान हानि ना हो।
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.